All right, good morning. Hey guys, welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. All right, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets live, and of course, if you're also looking to learn the profitable Forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. All right, good day, you guys. I hope you're having a good one. I hope, excuse me, I hope you guys are having a good day so far. And I hope you all had a great London session. I had a fantastic London session post London market open. I was in on the DAX buys and I caught 0.5%, and I'm legit not trading the session. All right, that was the move that I played out for DAX. Okay, that was the entry. Boom, straight up. I took a slightly longer trade and pulled out profits right there at 50 pips, and I still have a runner about $20 a pip that's running on a break-even stop loss to go and hit RTP up there. But lovely move for me. I'm chilling. I don't need to take any trades on this session. I hope you guys are good. And also, guys, listen, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any risks that you take upon yourself. Please, we're in super choppy markets, so you don't want to be risking more than 0.5% or 1% at any given time on any given trade. Okay, gold potentially maybe playing out. Okay, look at that. Gold is potentially pushing. Let's take a look on the fives. We're coming in a little bit of support right over here. Let's see how they react to this region. We break down and the cells look good. Okay, I'm gonna put on a line right there. Let's see. We're testing it out right now. We break that, we're getting a push to the downside. Okay, if not, they're gonna pick back up. But consider this an impulse. How you guys doing? What's up? Are y'all in any sort of trades right now? You gotta smile and make some move. Okay. Good morning, good morning. Gold trying to push over sold. Good morning, what's up, you guys? What's up, Space? Vanessa, Deep Minded, Alpha D Gen, Emily, Camper, Alts 404. What's up, you guys? Dawood, my man, how's it going? Oh, that's sweet, Alts 404. I hope you have a good session. I hope you make her pips, and may the force be with all of us. Okay, let's get this. So I'm in on a nice, clean, risk-free position, you guys. I layered my position at this bottom on DAX. So Cash managed to. You caught the sells, right, babe? On London. Yeah, Cash managed to catch. So these were the sells that Cash caught. I didn't get in on this because I was a little caught up today. So I was just I was sitting on the sidelines. But then when I had some time, boom, I saw that. And I saw that bounce, and I'm like, I'm buying it. I started layering my position here. Nice $20 a pip sitting right here. And then boom, on this break of structure, break of these highs. This was my Lambo entry for 50 goddamn pips, you guys. 50 goddamn pips gold. Too close to market open, alright? So you guys want to be careful. You don't want to be getting in recklessly right now. Small lots. If you're getting in on anything, small lots, you guys. Feeler on gold? Good. Be careful, you guys. They could just pick back up, okay? If the buys want to come in, They could pick up demand from here, no problem. And maybe we head somewhere to this region, okay? So I'd be okay to just maybe adjust this guy up. So where will the buys be? The buys could be above that zone to zone. Okay, we've got zone to zone buys right here. Let's see, you guys. Not too much right now. Cash does not respond to DMs anymore. No, I'm pretty sure she does. Why is that? Well, if it's something related to the one-on-ones, then yes, she will reply. But she's also been a little busy from the past couple of days, so I'm not too sure. Why is that, though? Have you got any messages, babe, that you haven't checked? Yes, we do, Kurt. We've got news that's out in the next 2.5 minutes. Alright, let's see how it goes, you guys. Let's see the sort of moves that we're going to be getting. Okay. I'm currently in no trades. I'm going to be taking it easy today, like I told you guys. I'm done for the day, so I'm okay with not getting any sort of moves right now. My point is I'm not going to be aggressive, okay? Because I don't need to be. You know, if you guys make your daily pips, if you'll have hit your daily targets, your daily goals, and why do y'all need to be aggressive, right? Have wider stop losses, smaller lots, and just let the market do its thing, especially if you've made some money and made some pips for London with cash. I asked about one-on-ones because I wanted to pick some weekend classes and I did not want it to interfere with her. Okay, I'll make sure she replies to you, Emily. Darkstar, right? I'll make sure she replies to you. I'll let her know. Still in on gold? Okay. Let's see, you guys. We've got a minute to go. A minute to go for news and for market open. Not market open, for news, my bad. Let's see what sort of moves they want to give. Please be careful, you guys. Don't be risking too much. I'm letting you all know, okay? Let's see. Maybe Nasty is going to start a push down. Maybe the Dow is going to as well. 25 pip move coming this way. Small move coming to the top, but again, if we have enough momentum, we can break past. Let's see, you guys. Let's see, all right? Let's have a good one. 30 seconds to go. I'm going to keep the indices open, all right, you guys? Let's have the indices open. We may get a little bit of a pop. This is news. Let's have a good one. Let's do this. All right, watch for the Dow. There may be liquidity grabs before the actual move kicks in, okay? All right, positive news. Balance of trade is positive. Labor productivity is also positive. That's Canadian news. Okay. DXY opened up bearish, could definitely start a push up. US 30, maybe testing out our sell. Watch out, you guys, in case it's happening. They're only and only testing it out. I'm not in anything, okay? If you guys want to get in on a little bit of a feeler, for the dirty, now could be a pretty decent time. It's just a feeler. You're just testing out the markets. You'll know the importance of a feeler. It's just a little bit of a position that you guys take just to test out the waters, just to see if the setup even wants to play out. Okay? Nasty is attempting to test our demand. Okay. Gold starting to push up. DXY is starting to push down. Let's see if gold gets that fill. Could look good. Okay. Give me a quick second, guys. I'm gonna be back. All right. Sorry about that. Nothing so far. Nothing so far. Okay, just an impulse. You'll need to realize this is also the first, literally the first candle after news is open. So give it some time. Let it do its thing. Let's see if they even want to close on our box, and then maybe we get a sort of a little more volumized move. Okay, if not, they're just gonna pick back up, and boom, they're gonna start pushing up, and then maybe test out the supply up here. Gold rangy between our region. I'm gonna make this a little safer. Let's have our entry on gold sitting right there. Okay, and we have the buys sitting up there. Let's watch, you guys. Let's watch. Okay, that's what I meant. Slow days, you guys. The past couple of days have been slow. It's They're gonna be weeks that are like this. Okay, there's not too much that we can do about it. It's all part of the game. Um, the real challenge is actually being able to navigate your way in these markets profitably on days like these, right? Because when the markets are moving like crazy, anyone can hit buy and sell and make money, right? But it's days like these where your risk management really kicks in, where like I keep telling everyone on the one-on-ones and even you guys on the streams, these markets are not in our control. They're never going to be in our control. But what is in our control is our account, our risk management, our money management. Okay, that's the only thing that we can control. And as long as you have that, you're going to be just fine in these markets. Okay, so wait for it to happen. If you don't get a trade, you don't get a trade. Yesterday, I literally closed the day in plus 500, which for my account is more or less break even, right? So I closed my day in the blues because I didn't want to close it at break even. But there are going to be days that are like this. As technical traders, it's our job to identify these days and adjust our risk management accordingly so that we can be a little safer in these markets, okay? The chat's pretty dead today as well. What's up, you guys? Is everyone sleeping? Am I not energetic enough today? Sleepy market, sleepy peeps. Yeah, tell me about it, man. All right, so they caught support. They didn't close anything below our demand. No attempt to make it supply. It's all good. All right, the buys still look like they may want to come in. Good crime, just watching, jumped on a few minutes ago after waking up. Awesome, man. Welcome. I thought this was news. Yep, I did too. But not every red folder is going to bring the volume, right? This week's a relatively slow week, nothing major. We just have a red folder today, and we have the regular jobless claims that happens every Thursday, 4 times a month. tomorrow, right? So that's all we're sort of really trading with this week. It's slow, it's less volumized, it's a little more erratic, but it is what it is, okay? As long as we're able to close the day even in 0.25% profit, that's good. You guys need to start realizing that, okay? Not every day is going to give you crazy moves. Not every day is going to be a wild one. I'm still in on this DAX, man. I'm looking for it to go and hit that. That's what I'm looking for. My entry to my TP, solid 50 pips, and I gave myself a 1:2 risk to reward ratio with a 50 pip stop loss, a 50 pip TP where I took out my partials, and another 50 pip for my runner to go and hit. Okay, so it's up by quite a bit, $20. Just if this gives me that 50 pip move, do the math, you guys. That'd be my runner. Looking forward to this one. It could happen, it may not happen. It is what it is. But I'm happy. I'm happy. I have no problem just chilling because I'm already done with my trade for the day. And literally, guys, the ones that know me, y'all know that I take one setup a day, and that's about it. That's all you need to sustain in these markets. The more you trade, the more setups you take, the more you sort of stay in these markets. Look at gold, all right? The more you sort of stay in these markets, the more chances you're giving these markets to take your positions away from you, to take your capital away from you, okay? So just be mindful. It's all good. And yeah, one setup is all you need. Slow, but after 1 hour, it may be fast. Yeah, possibly. I love the discipline you show us, bro. This is awesome. Thank you, man. But it's the absolute truth. I've been through exactly what most of you guys are going through right now. Well, you just don't know when to stop. You don't know when to walk away. And that's natural. It's something that comes with time. And I've realized that, if I hit my profit targets, I've hit my profit targets. I have no reason, I have no business to be trading the markets further. So these streams are for you guys, right? They've always been for you guys. We're always here to give you guys our quality setups and to give you guys the information that we do on these on these sessions. So these streams are for you guys, but it doesn't mean that we've got to trade them. Cash absolutely kills London lately with her sessions for London. When I'm done, I don't even need to be trading New York. I'm not even kidding. She absolutely nails the sessions. How many of you guys catch London with Cash? I want to know how many people do we have flipping over from London to coming into New York with Forex. Zero? Yeah, Cash says she tells me that she sees you all the time. Rapid. Lovely. Okay, a few of you. How many people do you have come on London nowadays? Nasdaq's doing something. Okay. Nasdaq closed in our box. Y'all know what I like to do. This is now supply. Let's see, fam. Let's see if we want to get any sort of continuations to the downside. Okay, we break that. There's a decent 10 pip move sitting right there. Okay, gold's being really, really choppy. US 30 is completely dependent on this demand zone we're in currently. I do as often as I can. I usually always come, but been away for a few days. Welcome back, Neha. I do as often as I can, usually very early in the... I know, man. It's unreal. Cash was telling me there's so many of you guys that literally wake up in the morning to come on the sessions with her, so kudos to you guys. The ones that that struggle in these markets to actually get better, they're the ones that make money, okay? And the truth is, sleeping's not going to make you no money, all right? It's good to sleep. I totally agree. But when you're learning, when you're in that zone, you're going to have to dedicate a couple of months of your life to actually just putting in the grind, putting in the work, and just paying your dues, you know, because nothing comes easy. These markets most certainly don't, right? So, congratulations to you guys that are actually taking the effort to wake up and get on live twice a day for the sessions. Um, you're on the right path, okay? So far, respecting supply. I set my alarm for London, but I couldn't get up, too exhausted. Of course, buddy. That stuff happens every once in a while. It's not something that, naturally, if you're able to do it every day, it's just going to be better for you. But as long as you're able to hop on it every once in a while, that too will teach you enough, right? Because the truth is, the way London moves, the way New York moves, even though New York's moving very, very similarly to London right now, but the way these sessions move are very, very different. And only when you trade both of them are you going to realize your style of trading. Do you enjoy a faster pace of trading? Do you enjoy a slower pace of trading? Do you like um, um, an aggressive style? Do you like a little more calm style? These are the things that you guys need to be figuring out for yourselves. So on the one-on-ones, naturally, I help everyone sort of just figure out their style of trading, and we play into that. But it boils down to that. You've got to try it all to know what works for you. Cram, you legend, bro. You're too sweet, man. Thank you so much, brother. I try to hop on daily. I'm usually there. Quite the demand zone on gold. Yep, for sure. Bigger demand down here, though, right? There was a reason I was on the 15 minutes and then switched over to the fives, because I was trying to look out for a little more key levels, which is why I think this could still play out. Okay, this could still play out at least maybe down to the 54 area, which again, that's a nice 40 pip chunky move if that happens. But let's see. Okay, we haven't had the full retracement of this move yet. Even if this is making a double bottom, we should most likely come down. And look at that, the DXY is soaring high right now. Ugh, look at Nasdaq, it's not moving, man. Not moving at all. Okay, Dirty's picking up support. Dirty's picking up support. Hmm. Is NY usually more aggressive compared to London? Yes, buddy, 100%. Cash hops on with great energy. I'm gonna start tuning in London. I get so stressed when I see red in fast trades. You're always gonna open up a trade in the reds, Emily. It's because of spreads, okay? So don't worry. But literally, every time you open up a trade, you're first gonna open up in the reds. Don't stress about that. It's all good, okay? Low volume so far. Maybe New York will bring it. Yep. Maybe. Not maybe. Most definitely. Will you be staying for NY Open? Maybe, buddy. I'm not too sure as of right now. I'm gonna just see. Um, let's see how the new Ali opens up, okay? Let's see if we get some volume then in the next 14 minutes, and we'll take a call accordingly. On paper, Nasdaq looks like a good position to follow our entry-exit strategy on, but there's just no volume for me to confidently take the trade. Absolutely. Don't use a 10 pip stop loss on this, bro. At times like this, if you think that we could still go bullish, have your stop loss maybe somewhere here, or if you're taking a really tiny trade, have your stop loss all the way up there, right? So you could be looking at a 25 pip stop loss, and you're giving the trade time to breathe as well. And yeah, so if you're going for a 1:1, you could be looking at about 30 pips there to about 30 pips down there. You see what I mean? And keep taking out partials as you hit the necklines and so on and so forth. So. Okay, let's see. That's correct, Dawood. Sorry about that, my wife was being funny. Okay, let's see. Are they going to respect this fly? I see people dropping out of the stream because it's that boring today. We all know it. The ones that staying, usually on days like this, by the time we end the stream, there are like 30, 33 people. And those are the ones that get that big fat move. Okay, so you guys leave. That's on you. All right, so just wait. Be patient in these markets, okay? It's always a test, Space, my man. You know it by now. It's always a test. Yeah, by the end of it, I'm telling you, there'll be like 25, 27 people. And just before we close the stream or immediately after we close the stream, I'll update you guys on open chat and the moves are going to kick in. But the ones that stay, I'm telling you, patience pays off in these markets, okay? You guys stay, y'all reap the benefits. There's the discipline I was talking about, bro. Let's go. Yes, sir. People who stay are the real ones. Absolutely. Cram is making the market slow on purpose and then give us the move. How I wish, man. How I wish. Inshallah, one day. Inshallah. It'll happen one day. And we'll all do it together. Like I keep telling y'all, okay? We're the army of millionaires, man. Even if I won't be able to do it alone, together we'll make those big candles, you guys. Together we'll do it all. There's nothing we can't conquer, right? Okay. Still watching, still chilling. The music's on. I'm chilling, you guys. What plans do we have for the weekend? What are you guys doing? Let's chit chat. Let's talk. If you guys have any questions about the markets, I reckon there are not too many new people on today. Because even if they were on this session, I'm sure they stepped out, which is all good. But if you guys, my existing members, already have any questions, then let us know. All right, we've got some time to kill. And if we don't have any questions, what plans do you guys have for the weekend? I'm really looking forward to Sunday. I'm looking forward to a nice UFC card after quite some time. Um, yeah, should be fun. Cram Legend, God bless you. Thank you so much, buddy. You're so sweet with the blessings that you give me. I couldn't appreciate you more. Thank you so much. Shukriya, Bhaijan. That would be the army of billionaires type shit then. Absolutely. I'm hitting the racetrack this weekend. Hey, finally. I know what that means, Space. I know what that means. Congratulations. Good for you, man. Always the happiest for you. Was about to say looking forward to UFC. Yeah, man. Finally. Finally. Yes, correct, Finesse. Resting this weekend. Miami next week. Sounds good. Sounds good. Where's Rapid at? Where's my UFC fam at? Who should we be putting money on this weekend, you guys? It's hard to me. It's hard to me to bet against Nunes. I won't lie. Uh, you never know, man. And I love Oliveira. Lots of fight that I'm looking for, but Benny Dariush is very nice as well. I feel like more I watch the educational videos and I know more, the more I get confused because then I want to consider 100 things. Just wait for the one-on-one, Emily. I'm not kidding. Don't go after anything. Ask people on here. The way I'm going to break it down to you is going to be extremely simple and extremely straightforward, okay? So just practice. Till then, I don't want you to think. Think of it this way, right? You've got some time to the one-on-ones. Try to experience the highs and lows because these markets can truly be a roller coaster, Emily. Ask anyone on here. There are quite a few people from the mentorship program on here right now. And these markets, there are going to be highs, there are going to be lows. There's a learning curve with the numbers, with your lots, with your stop losses, with your take profits, and all of that good stuff. So don't try to do anything right or wrong. Just try it. You know, jump into the water, start swimming. I'll teach you how to swim right, okay? But jump in, and that should be your only sort of goal for the next couple of days till we have our session, all right? So just don't stress out about it is all I'm trying to say, okay? I've got you, and there are a lot of people on the session. You can go ahead and ask them. I will clarify everything to you the right way, okay? Gold's pushing down. Come on, Nasty, break those two candles. Yeah. I have a feeling this may just pick up, you guys. I'm being honest with you all. It seems like maybe it gets a little bit of a retracement before the push to the downside, even though this looks like a really good setup. And this is what price should do. But on a choppy day like this, we also need to consider the fact that, are we expecting price to be normal? You know what I'm saying? The day is this, the day is like this. It's not really on an ideal day, this drop to down here where the TPS would have been perfect, the continuation down here, and then down here. That would be a beautiful move, right? But in choppy markets, we could also expect choppy moves, right? So that being said, this is why you need to have conservative risk management on days like these, right? Today, personally, myself, I was playing with 0.5%, you guys. Risk 0.5%, and now I just have another position that's running to potentially give me more than that. But I'm happy with that 0.5%, right? That's how you need to be trading this as well. Have a nice, generous stop loss, and you can only do that if you're in with the right lot sizes, with the right risk management. Emily, it complicates things a lot. Emily, the one-on-one is super cool. It all falls together after each. Yeah. I think Emily was talking about watching our videos, but you won't believe it, with a lot of the people that come on the sessions, I actually have to make them unlearn the stuff that they learned from YouTube before I jump in. Now, the truth is, I respect people that make content. I'm not going to lie. I absolutely respect them. It takes a lot of work, and it takes a lot of effort, discipline to get that stuff going for yourself. But they're there to make content. They're there to get views. You'll need to realize that, right? So everyone tells you what a double bottom is, everyone tells you what a double top is, but nobody tells you how to trade them, right? That being said, the retail traders that have consumed content on YouTube, they basically just get in, they see double bottoms, they get in on buys, and then what do the market makers do? They flip it to a double top, and before they know it, all of their stop losses have been hit, and they're either out of the trades or they've lost their accounts because they don't understand risk management. So what we do is we only use these patterns, the RSI, the EMAs, our zones, everything only and only as tools, as confluences to figure out our bigger break of structure, be it the buy or the sell. And that's the reason why you're able to see not just a sell box, but also a buy box, and vice versa on our charts. I hope that makes sense. So just don't stress about it. Try to figure out MetaTrader, try to figure out getting in and getting out of trades, and I've got you, okay? Kids are demanding the Spider-Man movie. Kids, me too, man. Me too. I would love to go watch it, but I truly don't have the time. Just gonna have to wait for it to come on Netflix or some shit. I don't have the time to watch a film right now. It's funny because we run a production house and we don't watch films. It's funny, but it is what it is. Yep, Nasty attempting barcoding right now though. Just know it's okay to fail. That's why we trade demo till you're ready. Absolutely, Alex. Excited for my one-on-one. When's your one-on-one, buddy? Everything is going to be clear after your first one-on-one session with Cram. Sure thing. The reason... Nasdaq's falling. Okay. Attempting to. Is anyone in on this? That was your nice clean break. They're giving you the move, okay? There's also 4 minutes to the new hourly swap. Alright. The next TP is just down there. We're looking at about... That's nothing right now. That's about 3-4 pips. Take your 10 and get out, you guys. Extremely choppy markets. Please take your 10 and get out. I mean it. Time really does fly, Space. Unreal. Unreal. If you guys are in on this, 5 pips, switch it up to BE, man. These markets are not markets that you want to mess with today, okay? Alright, the dirty sells could be kicking in as well. That break. And we push down. I legit mean it. I'm not getting in on any trades today, you guys. I'm honestly done for the day, so you're not going to hear me screaming. You're not going to hear me telling you guys that I'm up by these many pips, because the markets have been very choppy and I successfully navigated my way through them already. So I'm not jeopardizing my account for nothing, okay? So please be careful. Please be mindful. Respect the strategy. Wait for the break, the retest, the rejection, the break of the previous structure. Just don't even attempt to trade the impulse. Not today. Look at gold. I hope no one was in gold, and if y'all were in on gold, I hope y'all realized your 4-5 pips of profit, whatever it gave you. Ugh. Dirty markets today. Dirty, dirty markets. June 22nd. Awesome. It's coming up. Sorry, guys. Alright, look at what they did on Nasdaq. This is what I meant, okay? Fake outs today. Now, if you have your stop loss somewhere here, out here, maybe it's time you bring your stop loss to this region, because this could reverse on you guys, alright? And it's also so close. This is the new hourly swap. Let's see if we have any sort of momentum that's going to kick in now. Okay, don't have a stop loss more than that, you guys, please. Look at this solid level coming in. If you're in on the buys, I'll mark it out for y'all. Just don't, alright? It seems like a very, very, very choppy market right now. You could even have it up there if it's not too much. I reckon that'd be about 20 pips. 15 pips. That's a 15 pip stop loss right there. Usman Hamza, are you Pakistani? No, brother, I'm Indian. I'm Indian. Ugh, come on, do something, man. There's nothing that's going on right now. Extremely dead. December vibes, this is worse than December, man. Guys, can you freaking believe it? We're halfway through 2023. It's goddamn unreal. It feels like we were just trading December. It feels like we just freaking started this year and we're halfway through it, man. How unreal is that? Time is going way too fast. Trust me about it. Especially when you're trading these markets every day. Whether you guys want to accept it or not, that's going to play a big factor in your lives. We are actually, because every day you're looking for your small 0.25, 0.5%, and you're going to realize that, damn, time is flying. I'm not even kidding. But I feel like that's the beauty of these markets. At least for me, it's been that way, all right? And it's crazy. I can't believe we're in December already. Before we know it, we're in June already, my bad. Before we know it, December is going to be here. 24 is going to be upon us. And, but yeah, 23 has been one hell of a year, man. I just can't wait, and I can't begin to anticipate what 24 has in store, not just for us, but for you guys as well. But 23 it's been some year. Right, babe? It's been our best year so far, and a lot of the credit for that goes to you guys. So thank you all so much. Um, yeah, we found our army, and we're working towards making you guys millionaires. I love it. 23 is the learning. 24, I gotta not only trade Lambos but buy them. Yes, sir. Trust me, bro, you're gonna reach a point where you're like, the shit don't matter. I'm not even kidding. I used to think that when I was 22, and then I just reached the point, and I'm like, it's not really about materialistic things anymore. It becomes more about growing wealth. But you've got to go through that, okay? Buy yourself a couple of Lambos. Enjoy what you make in these markets. Enjoy it, because that's why you make money in these markets to begin with. Spend on yourself, spend on your family, spend on your loved ones, spend on your girlfriends, spend on your wives, your husbands, your boyfriend, whatever it is, right? Spend the money, enjoy it. But also chase growing wealth, because that's what's going to really make the difference. Okay, dirty. Starting to kick to the downside. Let's see, you guys. There's no momentum that's breaking through. I'm genuinely even thinking, should I even stay for market open? Because it's going to be erratic on market open, and I wouldn't recommend you guys to be trading a market like this. I'm not going to lie to you all straight up. And you guys anyway have my levels. You know, the buys are definitely not nowhere here. Don't think about buying this region. Just let it go. Let it be. Don't think about buying this market, to be fair. Don't think about buying this market either. This one, don't think about selling it, okay? The DXY is choppy as well. Everything, everything. Okay. Freaking boring markets, man. You know, I can guarantee you guys the move's not even going to come at market open, but it's probably going to come like 10 or 15 minutes post market open. That's when the move's really going to kick in. And don't let these markets fool you, okay? The volume will kick in, and it's going to be erratic AF. Just don't be caught on the wrong side of that. DAX. Okay, I'm running by about 25 pips on DAX. Let's see, you guys. Let's see. There's no volume, you know, and there's no catalyst that's even going to bring in volume. The banks open up, Neha. The institutions, the hedge funds, the banks, everything opens up. and that's what brings in a surge of liquidity, brings in a surge of orders being fulfilled and triggered, because a lot of people place their orders over at the times when the banks are shut, the banks themselves. So those get triggered as soon as the market opens, and boom, that's also why you see gap ups and gap downs and just an injection of volume. So volume is just the number of traders that are actually trading, the number of orders that are actually being fulfilled. And yeah, so news, market open, any major economic events, all of these act as catalyst to bring in volume. Guys, even Cash is telling me, I think I'm just gonna end it. There's really no point of us staying on these markets. I don't want you guys to get frustrated and end up taking trades that y'all don't need to be taking. If y'all made some money already, y'all have made your money. If you haven't, don't trade this. It's okay if you guys don't have a trade on one day. It's really not that big of a deal. You'll need to start realizing this. I anticipated this coming in today, which is why I thought I might as well get my hands dirty for London. And my London trade, by the way, that made me 0.5%. Babe, for how long was I monitoring that? 2 hours? I was in on that trade for about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, because it was that choppy, and if you can hold through the emotions, and if you're able to hold through that, then well and good. But if you can't, if you don't have risk management, this is usually the kind of days and the kind of volume that consumes the retail traders. There's cat news at 9. Market's setting up for a move. Possibly. There's definitely going to be a move, but it's also going to be erratic. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you all levels, and I'm going to call it, okay? Just because of the fact that there's nothing going on. And like I said, I don't want you guys to be trading something that doesn't need to be traded. 84.94, that's a 10 pip move. Alright, that's a little Vic fill over there. Another 10, 8 pips. So you have an 18 pip range before which you can get a solid push up to maybe somewhere there. Okay, so I like this entry on Nasdaq at 600. Look at that. What are the chances, right? Whole number. We're at 14,600, so you can expect some supply there. You can expect some resistance to kick in right over there. The dirty didn't give us any sort of confirmation. Okay, look closely. Not a single candle has closed within our box. Everything just basically